Hi everyone! Today we're making a quick and easy stir-fried snow peas with Chinese sausage. It's a flavorful Chinese home cooking dish. Those crunchy edible potted snow peas pair perfectly with savory meaty sausage. Ingredients are simple. You'll just need some snow peas, Chinese sausage, garlic, and salt. Step 1 is to prep the ingredients. Slice the Chinese sausage into thin pieces. Smash the garlic cloves and dice finely. Strip off the ends and strings of the snow peas. Snow peas are these green peas with flat and thin edible pea pods. The tips and sides are tough and fibrous. Removing them can help to retain their tender texture. Give them a quick rinse. Step 2 is to boil the snow peas. Boil some water in the pot. Add in the snow peas. Let them boil for a short 30 seconds and take them out. This is to get them cooked slightly before the stir frying and at the same time to keep their crunchy texture. Step 3 is to stir fry. Heat up some oil on medium-high heat. Cook the garlic first till the oil fume turns a bit garlicky. Then stir fry the Chinese sausage until the fat in the sausage turns translucent. Lastly, add in the boiled snow peas. Mix everything well. Add a pinch of salt. Stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. When the snow peas begin to turn a little brown on the surface from the wok, take them out. The dish is done. The crunchy and refreshing snow peas pair perfectly with savory meaty sausage. Even the colors complement each other. Hope you enjoy this simple yet delicious Chinese home cooking recipe. Like and follow for more.